Hello, my name is Alec Gibson. I'm a political science major, and I'm the Presidential Scholar of Distinction for the Social Sciences pathway. Coming to Cypress College really just felt like the next natural step. My brother was already at Cypress College and was about to graduate, and I just knew I wanted to come here. I had already come to a lot of the events, met with a lot of different advisors and faculty, and I really felt welcome. So to me, it was just the next step in my education. It really didn't take much thought for me. I really just wanted to come here. My immediate plans are to transfer to UCLA and begin working on my future career as a lawyer. Long term, I want to open my own practice, and eventually I want to go back to school and work toward becoming a professor. We take this journey together.